Alright, welcome back to today's trade recap. Tuesday, 2025, like 18th February. Um, and yeah, took this dub on EUR USD after a bit of a consolidation. And it could have been better, it could have been worse, I guess I could have lost it. But yeah, let's go through how I won this, I guess. So firstly, let's just make this easier to see. Let me take that shit away and let me just close. How do you take away draw? Yeah, there we go. So market opens at 9, right there, at 9. London session open, and we immediately get up to this, or we already were in this, or no, my fault. We immediately get up to this fair value gap, hourly fair value gap, and unfortunately invalidated this fair value gap. But yeah, filled in this one, stayed within it for the next hour, and that's when we saw a significant move down. Let me put back all the drawings. Put a move down. You see that on the 5-minute too. A big move down here, and I just waited for shit to, like, for a rejection out of this fair value gap, as we got multiple times, but I never entered because we never hit the 50 we never hit the 50% mark of the fair value gap, and when we did, we never pushed out of it. So yeah, I was never able to enter off of that, and then we actually break structure to the upside. Yeah, break structure to the upside on both 15 and 5-minute, but the thing is, we were still in this 15-minute fair value gap. On top of that, we had this this green line. We have this green line as a order block, liquidity sweep, and then break a structure that we tapped into perfectly. Also this breaker that we also tapped into perfectly, and a rejection out. So a lot of confluences, and we tapped into this hourly fair value gap, this big rectangle. So we push out of the fair value gap and breaker block, order block, and everything, but we were still bearish on the 5-minute. So that's why I waited for a breaker structure that we got right here and entered, yeah, directly after that. And as you can see, we were stuck in some consolidation for a while. We only moved like 5.8 pips for a while, but I guess I set a pretty good stop loss on this height, because we have equilibrium here as well, 15-minute equilibrium that we rejected out of before I entered. So we were stuck in a bit of a drawdown. And my school started at 12:20. So from here on, we had class until, yeah, like right here. We ended class right here, which is pretty unfortunate, because I always want to exit on New York Open if the trade like goes on for so long. But if I just would have waited, like I watched it and I exited like 7, because that's when we ended. So if I would have exited 2 minutes later, like literally 2 minutes later, then my full take profit would have been hit, and I would have made $110, I think 111. But yeah, unfortunately, I ended class just when we hit this take profit. So I exited, yeah, somewhere in this place with a $61 profit, and then like, I don't know, spread or some shit took away like $10. so I ended up with a $51 win. I can pop it up on the screen right here. So yeah, pretty nice. I'm up like 1% on the funded account. I can show y'all that as well right here. But yeah, that's honestly really good, and I've been trading like good, I think. I've been replay, how do you say, replay trading, like yeah, replay trading a lot lately. So hopefully that shows progress. And let me actually put y'all on this too. I was about to enter on GBP USD for bull, because we tapped into this fair value gap, hourly fair value gap, I think. Yeah, hourly fair value gap, and we were bull on 1 hour and 4 hour. So we break structure and tap into equilibrium, tap into this small little order block, breaker block, but we never got a green candle out of it. So luckily I didn't enter on that shit. And that was the same time as this shit just kept going up. So I thought I wouldn't be able to find a trade on this. But then I remember this order block and everything, and yeah, everything played out well. So that's amazing, really. Yeah, that's all I have to say. I didn't live stream this one. I will probably live stream tomorrow, because I like that suits with my schedule and shit. But yeah, that's about it. Love and appreciate y'all. Bye.